You're about to start a new project, and that's going to involve a lot of participating companies, people, documents, 3D models, processes, and decisions. In this demo, we'll show you how to take control by connecting teams with a project-wide solution trusted by the world's largest construction and engineering projects. Because Aconex is in the cloud, all you need is a web browser and your login details to get started. First, let's see how easily our design team can upload and distribute drawings for a design review to participants around the world. With drag and drop workflows, we've got full control of the process. And out-of-the-box reports provide instant insight to where reviews are being held up. Partners receive the transmittal linked to their own private document register on Aconex. But referencing vital information like the document number, type, and any past revisions, so there's one single source of truth. Now, let's say we're procuring a design, contracting, or subcontracting service. In clicks, we're able to send dozens of bid packages and hundreds of big files to the right partners, and instantly see who's opened and responded to our bid, saving us loads of time chasing responses by phone or email. Our team's now in full swing, and the design team uploads their BIM or 3D models. With Aconex, our entire project can participate in BIM workflows, not just the design teams. Let's drill into the model and initiate an RFI with a link directly to the object in our design. On site, a subcontractor pulls up the latest version of a drawing on her tablet to check a design detail. She spots a potential issue, takes a picture, and kicks off a variation request. Instantly, our head contractor receives an alert, can check the design, and approve the variation so the project is not held up. Meanwhile, throughout our project, issues are recorded by our field inspectors and sent out for resolution. On site, subcontractors have instant access to punch lists with all the information they need, so they can make the fix and mark it for re-inspection. It's as easy as that. It's finally time to hand over the asset. With Aconex, every decision and document is collected from the start of our project, making it easy to create a secure digital O&M manual in just clicks. And this means we can quickly find what we want right in the context of our model. Inevitably, disputes happen. But with Aconex's no-delete framework, you've got an audit trail of every document and decision so you can get things sorted out fast. As you've seen, Aconex delivers a project-wide suite of solutions in the cloud to structure decisions and processes across your project. We've connected more construction and engineering teams than any platform to deliver over $1 trillion in project value.